Natasha's cooking channel. If you're new here, my name's Natasha and today we'll be cooking churros. What we will need for today's recipe is 2 cups of water, 120 grams of butter, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and lemon zest is optional. Also, we'll be needing a piping bag and a tip of your choice. In this pot, we'll be having 2 cups of vegetable oil, and in here we have sugar and cinnamon. So let's get cooking. Next step, add your water, butter, sugar and salt in a pot and mix together until it starts bubbling. Now let's add our sugar and our salt. Now let's take it over here, turn it on and start mixing. I'll see you once I start mixing. Now it started to bubble and we're going to mix it a bit quickly, and now we're going to add all the flour and mix it until it's well combined on medium heat. Now this is ready. Let it cool for 5 minutes before we add eggs and vanilla extract. So now we add our eggs, our vanilla extract and our lemon zest into here. Now let's add our eggs. So eggs, our vanilla extract. That's that added in. And our lemon zest. Alright, now we move that to the side. And now let's quickly put that down. And let's start mixing it. And I'll see you once it starts combining a little better. So let's go. So now we'll be adding the dough into the oil, and I've got some help because I don't want the oil to spray me. And we'll let them sit in there till they turn golden crispy kind of. I'll see you once we have at least 3 done golden crispy. So I've let the churros cool down for a bit. This isn't all of it, but I've let them cool down for a bit, and now I'm going to place them in the cinnamon and sugar. This is where it comes in handy by using a spoon and just going over like that. And now I can go to that, and these are done. Just roll them in a bit, and you can take them out now. There we go. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you learn how to make churros. Be sure to subscribe, like and comment down below what you think I should cook or bake next. Bye!